Hello my good people, you're welcome to Thydee Fashion YouTube channel. My name is Deborah. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make, cut and sew this design. If you could remember, I have those videos on my YouTube channel. I'll be dropping the link in the description box. So somebody just sent me a message that I should show her how to make. It's a very simple design. It's a princess dart. Of course, you know, this is the I'm going to send the link in the description box. So here I'm going to cut open. I'll just slash this point so that the upper part can be separate and the lower part can be separate. Like I said in the previous video, you can cut it once and make sure the center front is on full. But because of my fabric, I don't have enough fabric. I have only 3 yards to use to make this design, so I won't be able to risk it at all. So it's better I just cut this part and separate. Okay, so now I have cut it. You can see the back piece. So here I'm going to be tracing or trying to pattern the facing, because it has to have a facing on the neckline, the back and the front neckline as well. So what I am simply doing is to just pin up the dart so that I can create my facing on this piece, on this paper I mean. So this is it. This is the facing. Very simple to do. Okay, so because I want the facing to be a bit wide on the shoulder, I had to pin up the dart. Very important. So I'm done with this, and so I'll just use my tracing wheel to trace on another paper. Here, as you can see, I have cut the panels, you know, on fabric, the patterns, and I have it right now. So this is what I have. This is on fold, the upper part, and of course, like I said, I separated the middle, which is the down, the pleat, and so here is my facing for the front. Okay, so this is what I'm going to. So I'll just use tracing wheel to trace it out and cut on fabric. So here you can see what I have done here, and I've also notched. You remember that the white paper is the pleats. Is the pleats. So the white paper is going to be, you know, the pleats. So I'm simply removing all the pins that I used to secure the paper to the fabric. Now I'm going to work on this fabric piece right now. Okay, so from here I'm going to just be pleating, but before I start pleating, I will open it up because the pleat must appear on both sides. Okay, so I'll be pleating this way. So here is a notch to the other notch. So one pleat is complete, and this is another notch to the other notch, another pleat, ensure you use your pin to secure properly. And the next pleat is from one notch to the other as usual. So this makes you know, the third pleat. Altogether, there will be 6 pleats on the front part, 3 on the right and 3 on the left. So now, because I have established the pleats on the upper part, so I'm going to just run the pleat down. I'll keep folding to have a uniform pleat on the hemline as well. Okay, so this depends on what you want. On the picture on the screen, I have just the pleat on the waistline, you know. So, but here I want my pleat to just run from the top down, and that's why I'm doing all of this. So I'm using my pins to secure, so that by the time I'm ready to iron, everything will just, you know, set in place. So now I'm turning to the other side to start pleating on the other side as well. Okay, so right now I'm going to secure this part, and here as well I'm going to secure with a stitch. So next is to bring my centerpiece. You remember I said if you have enough fabric, please ensure you cut this one once. Okay, let there be no joining. But because I'm trying to manage my fabric, I need to join. So the first thing I'm going to do is to join with the seam allowance. And after joining, then you can now add this to it. Okay, so make sure that the waistline align. The original waistline must align, and this is where it is. Okay, so you join on this side and you join on the other side, and that will be all. You know, sew your darts on the back and you are all done. So this is very simple. You can see it's a very short video, and this is the outcome of it. I've not put sleeve. It's still, you know, it's still, I'm not done with the clothes itself, but at least the joining superb. The back, the flowing pleat and the down part, can you see how beautiful it's looking? This is so lovely. This is so lovely. So you can try it out and, you know, let me see the outcome. And if you have any questions, any question at all as regards this lesson, please ensure you let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.